Elko County School District would like to introduce you to Paper, an online tutoring program provided to Elko County School District students. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access Paper. When students are logged into their ECSD Google account, they will have an ECSD bookmark folder. In the ECSD bookmark folder is the Clever portal. When students are in the Clever portal, they will see an icon with a P for Paper. When they click on this icon, they will go to their Paper dashboard. When students are on the Paper dashboard, they can ask a question to a tutor or select a tutor from a variety of subjects, or just ask any tutor. Once the student types the question, they will be connected to a live tutor. Another way Paper can help your students is they can submit work for review, such as essays, creative writing, scientific writing, or other writing projects. They will simply click on the Submit Work for Review and upload their document, and a Paper tutor will provide feedback. Other ways students in Elko County School District can access Paper is if they are in their Google Classroom, they will see a Paper icon which they can click and launch their paper in the sidebar. And another way students can access Paper is all students will have a little paper icon to the right of the URL bar that will also launch the sidebar where students can ask a Paper tutor a question. They just simply type their question or select from the different subject areas to get connected with a live tutor. They'll also have the review center here in the sidebar where they can upload an item for review.